guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club to show you for May. Do you want to see what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the May 2026 Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club is here. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing T-shirt subscription to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, I will have this company listed in the description box with my code, I believe is SheCrafty. Shabby Lane is SheCrafty20 to get you 20% off your first subscription. Now, a few weeks ago, about 2 weeks now, I believe. No, it hasn't been 2 weeks yet because the giveaway is still going on. But I did post maybe about a week ago now. One of their mystery boxes has like their boutique items in it, and that was an amazing box. First, it's a mystery. I love a mystery. A great way to try out their boutique products without going to a commitment, because they do also offer that style in their subscription with the T-shirt. So there's 2 different subscriptions that they have to offer. The T-shirt of the month, which you do get 1 free gift inside of here as well, or the boutique monthly, and there's 2 levels, a smaller package and a larger package. But that mystery box was a great way to show you, to like introduce you to their boutique items, like the jewelry and everything. So if you didn't check that one out, check it out. There is a giveaway in that video. So yes, that is the boutique one. This is the monthly T-shirt. You can also shop their shop and get all of their amazing shirts, short sleeve, long sleeve. They have home decor products as well, not just T-shirts, but they have tons and tons of T-shirts in all colors, all sizes. They're all on the Bella and Canvas soft blended unisex tees, which I pretty much live in these T-shirts. Speaking of, this is one that I actually purchased from their shop. This was not the monthly T-shirt. This is one that I purchased directly from their shop. So you can do that without jumping to a monthly, but if you like to save some money, get an amazing shirt every single month, you can jump to the subscription. Let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what we're going to have and see what the free little item is in here. I love to show you guys that because it's not just a T-shirt. You get a little item in there as well. I was gonna use my knife. Just rip the bag open, which is a very pretty blue with those flowers on it though. Oh my gosh, it matches the color inside, you guys. Okay, one thing though that I do want to point out, if you have missed the other videos, if there's like a holiday or there's going to be a holiday theme by color or design, they always send it the month before. And I appreciate that because then you have the whole entire month to wear it, not just maybe a day or 2 or missing it after the holiday, that kind of thing. So they do take that into consideration. I don't think this one is going to be like a holiday one. We're gonna find out, but you do have these cards and then you have your free gift. Let me get this out of the package. It says positive mind, vibes, life. Yes. Always be positive. So let's go with the free gift first. I am so excited about the upcoming summer fun. I hope you are able to get outdoors more and enjoy nature. Take a walk and see the beauty all around you. Keep a positive mind even for those harder days. When the world seems hectic and life seems heavy, step outside and breathe for a bit. From the owner, Shabby Lane. They always put a little thing in there every month with a new little blurb on it, and I love to read it because it always changes every single month. Down in here is going to be the item. Me personally, it is over 100 degrees outside. I have been outside probably 4 or 5 days straight in this sun. I don't even want to be outside anymore. It is so freaking hot and humid here. Like, I don't like being outdoors in the summer. I don't. So the first card we have is Chasing Sunshine, and it has like the little beach shells on there. Super, super pretty. And I always tell you guys, you can save these, you can use them as cards, you can put them in a frame. I did put some of them in a frame because there were larger sizes. I need to get a smaller frame now for this size because the other one that I had sitting here, oh, this, I would stick them in this, but it's a little too big. So I got to get a new frame for this size, but you could always switch them out for the holiday. Again, you could do anything with these cards. So here is the very first one. And then the item that we have is, ooh, it's like a 3-stack bracelet. It looks like we have the Tree of Life and then all of these fun colors. Ooh, where's my Tree of Life? There it is. There's the Tree of Life. And actually that is hooked onto all of them. So it's supposed to be together. You know, like in the boutique, like the mystery bundle, there was like a set of 3 bracelets, 3 or 4 bracelets. I think there's 4. They were super, super pretty, but they were, you could wear 1, you could wear 2, you can wear all of them. This one here is meant to be together because of that it's actually stuck all together, but you have a larger format of beads, and then you have these 3 smaller ones, all different colors. And then you have the Tree of Life that hangs down there. Super pretty. These normally are a little small on my big old wrist, but I'll show you at least what it looks like. Yeah, super pretty. I love all of the different colors. And again, this is just a free item that you get. I love that. So then with the t-shirt, there's 2 cards. One says positive mind, vibes, and life, like the sticker on the package. And then sunshine, state of mind. Love it. Both super, super summery. And again, these change with the seasons, the time of year. And I love that she takes all of that into consideration when she puts this whole thing together. So there's those cards. And then to the shirt. And it is that quote, positive mind, vibes, and life. Look at this. Now I have a lot of blue. And I don't think I have anything this color. That is a different, it's like in between a dark and a light blue, but it is a really, really pretty color. And I love the positivity. Like, I just love what it says. And definitely positive mind, vibes, and life. Wear proud, live by it. Positivity is so much better than anything else. So love that. So here is the design again for this month. And if you want to see it on, here you go. There we go. There is the shirt, you guys. Again, I am loving this color and I'm loving what it says. I just love this subscription. And I love all of the positivity. And I always tell you guys, if you want to follow them on Instagram, your feeds will be filled with positivity versus what we are normally seeing these days. And I love that. It's always just some amazing, inspirational things that is posted by the page. And I just love that. I love seeing positivity and great like words to live by, daily affirmations, that kind of thing. So definitely if you want to follow them on their Instagram, you will be filled with positivity as well. So that is what is for this May. You have this beautiful color blue with this amazing design shirt. And then you have this 4-stacked bracelet. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything for the May T-shirt of the month club. Definitely comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the color? What do you think of the design? What do you think of Shabby Lane? Don't forget you can purchase anything individually as well. And my code SheCrafty20 will save you 20% off your first subscription. Now for this one, I'm gonna go to their site and I will tell you, because again, there are the 2 different subscriptions. So I always just go to their site to get all of the pricing. Okay, so the T-shirt of the month club, it is normally $24.95 and currently on sale for $19.95. That's where it starts at. The larger sizes you go up, the price will go up just a couple dollars. So I think small, it'll stay the same for small, medium, large, extra large. 2X will bring it up to the sale price of $22.95. 3X will bring it to $24.95, and then the 4X will bring it to $26.95. So it's only like $2 more for those larger sizes, but you can choose again, a size small all the way to a 4X. And again, if you wanted just to do month per month, that would be the pricing, and you can save money and do a 3-month subscription for $73. And a 6-month subscription would be $147. And then if you want to go to a full 12-month subscription, it is $294. So now the other subscription I was telling you about is the Boutique Monthly. They have the Boutique Bag VIP membership, which is $29.99 per box per month. or you can do the deluxe boutique bag VIP membership for $39.99. So those are the two different options. Again, they will be listed down below in the description box if you like to pop on over, check them out, use my discount code if you would like to save some money. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.